In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix text not wrapping. If you have text in a spreadsheet cell that keeps spilling over into the next column, or it looks cut off and difficult to read, don't worry, this is a very common issue. And the fix is quick once you know where to look. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make the text wrap properly inside the cell so everything is visible and neatly contained. To get started, click on the cell that has the text you want to fix. This is important because the formatting change needs to be applied to the selected cell. Once the cell is selected, move your attention to the top toolbar. Look for the text wrapping icon. It usually looks like a right-pointing arrow with horizontal lines beside it. If you are not sure you've found the right one, take a second to hover over the icons until you see the text wrapping option appear. Click that text wrapping icon and then select Wrap. As soon as you do that, the text should begin displaying on multiple lines within the same cell instead of stretching outside the cell boundaries. This makes the content much easier to read, especially when you are working with longer notes, descriptions, or imported data. Now, in some cases, the text will wrap correctly, but the row height won't update on its own. That means part of the text may still seem hidden, even though wrapping is turned on. If that happens, go to the row number on the left side of the sheet and right-click it from the menu that appears. Choose Resize Row. Then select Fit to Data. This tells the spreadsheet to automatically adjust the row height so all wrapped text becomes visible. After that, your text should be fully displayed inside the cell, with the row sized correctly to match the content. If you are cleaning up a spreadsheet, this small adjustment can make a big difference in readability and overall organization. A helpful tip is to double-check both the wrapping setting and the row size whenever text doesn't look right. Sometimes wrapping is enabled, but the row simply needs to be resized. Once both are set properly, your sheet will look much cleaner and more professional. Thanks for watching.